Let's find the area of a rectangle. We're going to multiply the base times the height. So the area of a rectangle is equals to base times height. The base here is 3, the height here is 2. So the area is going to be 3 times 2 meters, which is going to be 3 times 2, it's going to be 6 meters squared. So remember to keep the units for area, not in terms of the actual length meter, but actually the unit squared. Let's work on this square here. These little dashes mean that the square has 4 sides that are the same length. So we have 3, 3, 3, 3. And so the area would be 3 times 3. Area equals 3 times 3, which is going to be 9 units squared. And so the units are not specified here. So it's nice to say units squared, or you can say that the area is 9. Let's work on the circle now. It's good to memorize that the area of a circle is pi r squared. At a later course you might understand why, but at this time, r represents the radius. So the radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge. So the radius is equal to 4 centimeters. It's only going to be half the entire diameter. So the entire diameter, 8, is all the way across, whereas the radius is only halfway. So half of 8 is 4. So the area is equal to pi 4 squared. So it's the same thing as saying pi times 4 times 4, which is the same thing as pi times 16, but it's better to put the number in front. Instead of saying I ate pi 16, you can say I ate 16 pies. So 16 pi is the answer. And of course, we're talking about area. The unit we're dealing with is centimeters, so we say centimeters squared. Remember, area is centimeters squared. Pi is just a constant. Pi is approximately 3.14. It's just a number. So the last example here, we have a triangle. We have a right triangle. A right triangle includes a right angle. The area of a triangle is equal to the base times height divided by 2. So the base here is 4, the height here is 3. 4 is the bottom, the part that's touching the ground. Base times height divided by 2. Now notice how we're going to ignore this hypotenuse. So for this right triangle, the side that is across the right angle is the longest side. It's called the hypotenuse, but really, let's not get confused. We're focusing on the base and the height, and that's all we need. Please do not use that number 5. It's too much information. So 4 times 3 is 12, divided by 2, which is 6. So the area here would be 6 units squared. Good job.